At Mira, we believe in better, and nothing encapsulates that more than our commitment to ESG.
Better planet, better lives, better communities and better workplace.
I'm here at head office in Cheltenham to explore the impact we've had and the real people and stories in our 2025 ESG report.
At Mira, ESG is integral to how we operate, how we innovate, how we show up in our community, and how we run our business and look after our people. Since our first ESG report in 2022, we've moved from setting ambition to delivering real, measurable progress.
We're committed to a better planet. In 2025, we electrified our fleet, contributing to a 3% reduction in CO2 emissions.
Last year, we put zero waste into landfill.
We're committed to better lives by designing products that use less water and less energy. Our products have won numerous awards.
Last year, Mira Showers launched Cold Boost for customers wanting to explore the health benefits of cold water therapy. Cold water showers also use less energy. We're committed to better communities by giving each member of staff a paid day a year to volunteer. That's a potential 6,000 hours across the business. Since we started ESG reporting in 2022, we've raised over £250,000 for charity.
As part of Better Communities, we raised over £72,000 for last year's charity partner, Young Lives vs Cancer.
Cheltenham Town Football Club have been associated with Mira Showers for 20 years as our principal club partners. Quite a unique partnership to the football club, and we're both really well embedded in our local community.
We're committed to a better workplace through our business resource groups with the aim of promoting inclusion in the workplace. REACH, our newest one, launched last year, which stands for Race, Ethnicity and Cultural Heritage, reflecting the diversity of the UK.
In 2025, there were 19 early careers associates across the business.
As part of Better Workplace, we introduced our inaugural Safety Week last year with lots of events and activities for all sites and all associates to get involved with.
That's just a snapshot of what we've achieved in the last year as we continue on our journey to Net Zero 2035. To download our report, click below and follow our progress in 2026 on our socials.